Shri Jalaram Arogya Seva Trust, Meghraj. Meghraj is a total tribal area. It continues to remain ignored and hence have remained away from the mainstream developmental activities. The region does not have adequate medical facilities in this 50 kilometers belt. In such an underdeveloped area, Shri Jalaram Arogya Seva Trust is the only medical facility that provides the wide range of healthcare services on humanitarian grounds at no cost to the patient basis for last 24 years to the needy people of the region. The hospital presently has 7 different medical specialties such as gynecology, surgical, medical, pediatrics, ophthalmology, orthopedic, and dental department. The hospital has 150 indoor beds. The 7 specialties have 7 full-time doctors and 3 full-time medical officers offering 24/7 services with the active and dedicated support of 90 people. The hospital complex remains a beehive of medical and surgical care and other related services for a vast range of diseases and, as such, remains humming with the patients and their relatives. Over and above the people of Meghraj Taluka, the patients from adjacent Lunawada Taluka of Mahisagar district of Gujarat and Simalwada Taluka of Dungarpur district of Rajasthan are also fully benefited from the no cost to the patient's services being provided by the hospital. The spectrum of patients being served free services by the hospital include not only the socially backward and economically very poor tribal and Bakshi Commission beneficiaries of this extremely backward and remote region, but also other somewhat economically better population of over 250 villages who are provided these services at no cost or very low, highly affordable cost. The existing building and equipments have become very old now. Hence, these need to be replaced with latest ones. Keeping pace with the demands of the time to meet the needs for treatment of corona-inflicted people, the hospital had commissioned 50-bed corona care dedicated facility during the trying period of COVID-19 pandemic. The present medical infrastructure of the hospital is now planned to be expanded with new hospital building complex. For this purpose, we are looking forward to donations to raise a fund of rupees 50 to 60 crores. The funds so collected are expected to enable the institution to set up an adjacent to the present facilities and a 250-bed state-of-the-art infrastructure facility that will cover 6 more services like radiology, basic cancer care unit, urology, dialysis, blood bank, and physiotherapy center. It will also be utilized for construction of the new proposed building and for purchasing new equipments because in the absence of CT scan, MRI and mammography, patients do not get perfect diagnosis that results into the loss of the patient's life. These new services are planned to provide free to the patient surgical and medical healthcare services to needy ones. We intend to add above facilities to provide the service in timely manner and thereby can help save few hundred lives every year. It is expected that with the addition of this additional state-of-the-art hospital, the total number of patients served will be more than double from the present 250 to 300 per day to 550 to 600 patients a day. We are looking forward for support and help to cope up with meeting the cost of construction and diagnostic equipments and tools like sonography, CT scan, MRI, mammography, etc. We need your generous donations, tax deductible on your US tax returns for this noble cause and become a lifetime partner of our institution as well as create a legacy for you and your family that will be remembered for ages by the future generations to come. Contact details. For US, Shri Praveen Bhai Shah can be reached for additional enquiries and generous donations for this highly noble and very unique project at cell phone number +1 516 902 3755. Email pshah44@hotmail.com or praveenshh7@gmail.com. Contact details for India. Dr. Bansibhai Patel. Cell phone number +91 90 9959 1159. Email Shri Jalaram Hospital@yahoo.com. You can also visit our website